this video, I am going to read this book that is called Dogman by Dav Pilkey. But before we start with the video, I'm gonna say some shoutouts. So the first shout out is Camila Cervantes. And the next shout out I'm gonna say in Spanish. Este saludo es para Hans Jose Soto Peña. Now let's start with the video. Okay, now let's start with the book. Dogman. Dogman behind the scenes. One time, George met Harold in kindergarten. Nice to meet you. Me too. They became best friends and started making comics. Their very first comic was an epic novella called The Adventures of Dogman. Action, Laughs, Fleas by George and Harold. Over the years, they made tons of Dogman comic books. Then one day in 4th grade, they got a new idea. They started making a new comic, Captain Underpants by George and Harold. Soon their lives got really complicated. There was danger, horror, and ridiculously convoluted plot lines. And just when it seemed like things couldn't get any worse, things got better. Hey, all the drama had come to an end. But there were still lots of unanswered questions. Where are our doublers? Where's Tony, Orlando, and Dawn? George and Harold searched their tree house for clues, but soon they got distracted. Hey, look, all cool. It's a box full of old Dogman comics we made when we were kids. Hey, I forgot about these. They read for hours. I cracked me up. Look how you used to draw, old school, and look how you used to spell. Well, what should we do now? Let's make a new comic book. About Captain Underpants? Nah, let's do something different. How about a Dogman comic? Okay. And together the two friends wrote and drew and laughed all afternoon. George tried to spell more better dictionary. Harold tried to draw more simpler. And thus, Dogman was reborn and unleashed. Class, enjoy it. Dogman, Chapter 1, A Hero is Unleashed by George and Harold. Dogman by George and Harold. Oh boy, look at Andrew's furniture. My new couch is here. She's a real beauty, chef. I know. We put it in your office. Thanks, fellas. I can't wait to be the first to sit on it. Calling all cops, come to my office. You can watch me in my brand new couch. Oh boy, this is going to be great. Hey, Officer Knight and Greg, the dog. You got dirty shoes and dog hair everywhere. You are the worst cops ever. Get out of my sight. Oh man, she really got mad at us again. I wish we could do something heroic to impress him. Uh-oh. That cop and police dog are back. Who cares? Aren't you worried about those two? Heck no. Check this out. Officer Knight is a tough cop. But he ain't got no brain. He ain't got brains. And Greg the dog is smart. But his body is his weakness. Yeah, but what if they work together? That might be a problem Fortunately, I've got a solution. Teehee. Help! It's a bomb! Officer Knight and Greg ran to defuse the bomb. Which wire should I cut? Red or green? Grrr. Okay, green it is. And so, kabloo. Oh no, I forgot dogs are colorblind. We do. And soon, how do you feel, old friend? Rough. Me too. Soon the doctor came in with some super sad news. Boo-hoo-hoo. I'm sorry, Greg, but your body is dying. And your head is dying too, Cup. Rats, I sure hate my dying head. But just when all seemed lost. Hey! Why don't we sew Greg's head into Cup's body? Good idea, nurse lady. You're a genius. Hooray! So they had a big operation. The doctor cut off Greg's head and sewed it into the cop's body. What a lucky day. And soon a brand new crime-fighting sensation was unleashed. Hooray for Dogman! The news spread quickly. City News. Dogman is the world's greatest cop. Rats! I unwittingly created the greatest cop of ever. Fortunately, I know just how to stop him. The next day. Well. So you're the world's most greatest cop, eh? Well, you better watch your step around here, bud. I'm gonna keep my eye on you. Well, what do you have to say for yourself? Like, get out of here! Poor Dogman's day had started out badly, but things were about to get worse. Ha! What's so funny? Today I'm going to destroy Dogman once and for all. Tell me, what are all dogs afraid of? Firecrackers. Well, yes, I suppose that's true, but dogs are also afraid of vacuum cleaners. I built this baby last night. Gee, I think firecrackers would have been easier. Who asked you? You did? Slap. This has thousands of dollars of the latest technology. Firecrackers only cost $5. Enough with the firecrackers. This is the way cooler. And once I turn it on, it will chase Dogman. And it won't stop until he gets sucked up. Ha! Yeehaw! Zoom! Oh, Dogman! Let's get ready to Roomba! Go on and run. You haven't got a chance. This vacuum has 6,000 HP motor and an endless power supply. And the bag expands so it can suck up almost anything. When Dogman heard the word almost, he got a good idea. Ocean City. Ocean. Gulp. Dude, that giant vacuum cleaner just swallowed my surfboard. Bummer, dude. The vacuum followed Dogman into the sea. Hey, let's get out of this water, okay? I can't swim. Besides, this vacuum cleaner isn't supposed to get wet. No fair! Dogman dived down, so the vacuum started sucking up the sea. And the vacuum bag got fuller and fuller and fuller. Meanwhile, under the water, Dogman was losing the battle. Gulp. The vacuum cleaner had won the war. Or had he? I gotta get out of here before this bag of sea water busts. Whoa! Boing, boing, boing. Petey had grabbed on with his claws. Suddenly, the vacuum bag began to rip. Rip! Pop! Petey got washed away in the Super Tildale wave. It looked like it was the end. Hey, you saved me. You're not such a bad guy after all. I've got one word to say to you. Click. Rats. Flip-o-rama. Flip it, don't rip it. So I'm not gonna read this part. So basically, what you just do is just that you do this. It's supposed to look like it's actually moving. So let me just read this part and then we'll go on the flip-o-rama. The tilted wave got smaller and smaller until it ended at just the right spot. Hey cops, Dogman captured Petey. This calls for a celebration. For he's a jolly good doggy. So you just put your hands here. Sorry if it doesn't look the best, but it's kind of hard to do on camera. So yeah, now let's do here. Go here. Well, Dogman, I guess I was wrong about you. Put ear there. Click. Hooray for Dogman! Chapter 2, Robo Chief. One day, this happened. Splash! I'm back! Clunk. No, Dogman, no! Stop! Get off! Bad doggy! Bad, bad, bad! Bad Dogman. Why do you always have to do that, grr? Who chewed up my dirty tissues? And who ate my slippers? Sniff, sniff. And who peed on my floor? Everyone in my office now. All right, which one of you chewed up my tissues and ate my slippers and peed on my floor? Just as I suspected. Everyone out except Dogman. You are in big trouble. Psst. Hey, Chief, the mayor's here. Uh-oh. Hey, send her right in. Wham. Howdy, Mayor. Don't howdy me. Have you seen today's news? City news. Chief is soft on crime. News. Petey escapes from jail 8 times. News. Latest poll. Everyone hates Chief. You are in big trouble, Chief. You better straighten up, or I'll replace you with a robot. Slam. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Lick. Suddenly, Dogman's super ears heard something. He rushed to the window. Soon my evil plan will become reality. Ha ha ha. Dogman followed Mayor to a strange factory. He peeked through a window and recorded evidence on his phone. So, Dr. Scum, how is our evil plan robot coming along? Pretty good. Awesome. Soon I shall use him to take over the city. My evil plan will begin in 33 seconds. Cool. 33 seconds later. Petey, you got a package. Give me it. What's this? Rip, rip, rip. An invisible spray. Invisible spray, invisible spray. Shake, shake, shake. Awesome! Now I'm completely invisible. Oh, guard! Yeah? Oh no! Petey's gone? Where did he go? Petey! Teehee. I love being invisible. Splash! A ghost! Haha. Soon Petey walked out of cat jail. Free at last. Haha. Then, hello? There's been a jail escape. Where? At the jail. Oh, hey sheep, Petey busted out of jail. Oh no! Soon as the mayor returned to the police station, Ram, sheep, check out this. Check this out. I tried to warn you, but you leave me no choice. You're fired, bud. Dr. Scum sent in Sheep's replacement. Okay. Clunk, clunk, clunk. Clunk, clunk, clunk. I am Robo Sheep. Robo Sheep is your new boss, and I'm Robo Sheep's boss. Ha ha ha. Must obey, Mayor. Ha ha ha. Now the sheep is gone. I can run this town my way. And you better not try to stop me, or it'll be the end. It'll be the end in the junkyard. Sorry, dog man, I got fired. You must go without me. Be a good boy. Make me proud. Meanwhile, it's good to be king. Okay, Dr. Scum, it's time to put our evil plan into action. No problem. Soon, Dr. Scum and his team of bad guys built a bunch of rotten businesses. Ha ha ha. And all cops were ordered to stay away. Don't go near the mayor's new stores or you will be fired. It was the perfect crime. Ha ha ha. Except one thing. Hey, look at all these rotten stores. Hackers are us. Super scam. Invisible Petey was not happy. Grr. Somebody is trying to muscle in my territory. I have to stop those evil jerks. There can only be one bill in this town. Invisible Petey got right into work. He followed each customer into the rotten stores. I'll take one bomb, please. Here you go. But then, hey, my pants fell down. Now they fell back up. Zip. Ah, it's a ghost. Invisible Petey followed other customers into other rotten stores and pulled the pants down too. What goes up? And so, ah, it's a ghost! Let me out of here! Soon, hi Dr. Scum, what's up? The mayor, it's a disaster. All your rotten stores are haunted. And Invisible Ghost is scaring all the customers away. Invisible Ghost? Petey! Robo Sheep, get in here and here. Yes, Mayor. Yes, Mayor. Go find Invisible Petey and destroy him. Yes, sir. Robo Sheep ran to town and started a attack. Invisible Petey prepared to meet third doom. Invisible Petey was not afraid. I ain't afraid. Invisible Petey ran to a rotten store. I'm here, over here. Oh yeah? Pow! Kaboom! Invisible Petey had zipped away just in time. Tee-hee! He ran to another rotten store. Haha! Hey Robo dude, I'm over here now. Oh yeah? Pow! And again Petey zipped away just in time. Invisible Petey ran from Rodden. So yoo-hoo, kaboom, kablang. To a Rodden store? Yeah, miss me, kaboom, until every Rodden store was gone. Invisible Petey ran to the playground. Betcha can't catch me. He ran over the corkscrew slide. I'm down here. Oh yeah? Pow. Zip, clunk, clunk. Kablung. Ha ha ha. Soon. Ring, ring. Hello, Dr. Scum. The rubber sheep destroy Invisible Petey. Dr. Scrum told Mare the bad news. No! Mare had one last plan up her evil sleeve. She dropped to the cop station. Dogman, you must stop Invisible Petey. Use your nose to sniff him out. Go get him. Dogman ran to town. Sniff, sniff. Soon he picked up a scent. Oh no. Uh-oh. Here comes Dogman. Clunk. Yikes, that was a close one. Dogman chased Invisible Petey all over town. Chomp! But Invisible Petey was just too quick. Haha, you'll never catch me, Dogman, because I'm covered with invisible spray and I'm never washing it off. Dogman got a good idea. Dogman ran to nearby kiddie pool and dived right in. Splash! Dogman was all wet. Now it was time to dry off. The water sprayed everywhere, and soon, hey, I'm getting all wet. My invisible spray is washing off. Uh-oh. And now Dogman could smell Petey and see him. No, wait, I can explain. Rats. Ladies and gentlemen, today we honor Dogman because he captured Petey and stuff. Get up here. Speech, speech. Clap, clap. Dogman did not know how to give a speech, but he knew how to play a video. Beep. How is that evil robot coming along? Pretty good. Awesome. Soon I shall use him to take over the city. Well, wait, I can explain. Click. And so, woohoo. 1 week later. Hi, cops. I am the new mayor. It's my job to appoint a new chef. Who should I pick? Chum, where is he going? Beats me. Everyone chased Dogman across town until ding dong. Oh, hi, Dogman. Plop. Ew, you got slobber all on me. So Chief got his old job back. And soon everything was back to normal. Hey! Okay, so this is chapter 3. And now we're going to put a pause because the video is already long enough. So I'm going to make a part 2. So yeah, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye, guys!